Hello friends, today we learn how to remove the blemishes and moles from your face to get a fair skin. First of all, get a black and white adjustment layer. Decrease the reds, then you can decrease the yellows as well to find the visible the blemishes. Now it's very dark screen. Now make an other curve adjustment layer below the black and white layer. Make it a little brighter so you can visible the screen. Alright, then we need to get a blank layer on top of our image layer here and get the healing brush. After taking the regular healing brush tool, make it a bit larger, and now sample from the non-blemish area. Just press alt key and take the sample and paint on the blemishes or dots on your skin. And here we go. Now it's moving. Keep doing that until you get your desired result. Yeah, I think we have got what we needed to get. Now delete both adjustment layers, and here you get your final results. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel and stay tuned for more updates. See you in the next tutorial.